Charlie, do you wanna see me cry? That you can't let this slide. Said you was really done to ride. Said you was really.
Know your place! Take this! Like a real Kakarot? Yes! That's what I'm talking about! You won't win just by flailing around! Then hurry up and get serious! Come at me with everything you've got! Take Take this! You're in for it now!
I'm not done yet.
Come on! I think you might work on this!
Take
Time's up. I need to go.
Come on, Vegeta. You're not done already, are ya?
Whis wanted to visit with Bulma again. If I want him to keep training me, I have to catch him before he runs off again.
Man, no fair. I want to train some more, though. Hey!
Goten, get a load of this!
Okay, see you around.
Please come.
Goku!
It's good to see you, Dad. Okay, I'm gonna give this one my best shot.
I'm ready. Please, spar with me in this form.
Our training resumes.
Watch out! Watch out! Die! Die! Watch out! Eat this! Watch out! How about this? Take this! Eat it! How about this? Take this! Father, are you all right?
Oh, come now. Not even my own imposter would stand a chance against me. Oh, come now. Not even my own imposter would stand a chance against me. Garlic gun! Eat it! I've had enough of you! I've had enough of you! You're done! I'm not done! I'm a proud Saiyan warrior! Just pay attention! See ya! Now I'm feeling warmed up. Die! Eat it! Eat it! Got you! Eat it! Now I'm feeling warmed up. Gallic gun! Gallic gun! Stubborn little... Stubborn little pissant! Prepare yourself! Pay attention! Eat this! Eat it! Tell me, how does it feel to taste the power of a god?
Huh? Gohan's here too! Hey!
I came up with a really good idea. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's been way too long, Goku.
Hey, how are ya?
It's starting up, old man.
It's good to see you, Dad.
Huh? Hey, how come Vegeta's not here?
Well, you were the one who helped me to grow stronger, Piccolo.
Contestant Tien Shinhan, do you have anything to say about the fight?
See ya! Yo!
Let's take a peek, shall we, Lord Beerus?
Okay, let's do this thing!
You should join us, Kakarot. Think of the battles you'll have. Isn't your Saiyan blood boiling with excitement from the thought? I can't help but wonder. That child behind you, is that your son?
He's not!
Yes, that boy indeed has Saiyan blood. It's no use trying to hide it from me. I could see his tail from here.
So what if he does?
You know, perhaps you need a little time to decide. I'll just borrow your son for a while so you can think over my offer.
Take one step closer to Gohan and I'll knock you out! Back off! Get ready to see real strength! We're settling this right here and now! Yeah! All right.
How about this? Tremble in fear.
Solar flare!
If you want your little brat returned safely, Kakarot, prove your Saiyan spirit. Eliminate 100 Earthlings and pile them here before I return in one day. And let me be very clear about this. If I come back and I don't see 100 corpses, I killed the kid. Gohan!
Piccolo?
What are you doing here?
I was pursuing him. And as much as I'd like to kill the wretch myself, the sad truth is I have a better shot at that if you were along for the ride.
Hold on. You mean team up with me? Why in the world would you ever do that?
Don't get the wrong idea. This would just be a temporary alliance, only for the sake of eradicating that alien off my planet. Once that purpose has been served, I'll keep my promise to crush you. Then I can get back to my plans of world domination.
Bulma, I need to borrow the Dragon Radar for a bit.
Oh, of course.
Let's go. Think you can keep up with my flying Nimbus?
You gotta be kidding. I'm a cut above the rest of you puny humans when it comes to flying.
Kakarot. I thought you'd at least be smarter than this. But you have no idea how out of your league you are.
Let's skip the pleasantries. We're here to take you down. Simple as that.
I'm sorry, brother. I was thinking about my offer and I've changed my mind. You'd probably just slow the rest of us down. And for betraying the Saiyan race, you will die! Since you're going to be eradicated anyway, let me share a little something with you. The two Saiyans I mentioned earlier, they're even more powerful than me. You could train yourself for a lifetime and never even come close to their level. But since you were too stupid to heed my warning, you're not going to survive another day anyhow. How about this?
Kept you waiting, huh? It's over! Dodge this. If you've got a new special attack hidden up your sleeve, now's the time to use it, Goku.
Sorry, nope.
You lazy fool. Meanwhile, I've been training non-stop to develop a sure kill technique.
For real?
Yeah. And the problem is it takes some time to charge up before I can use it. So I'm gonna need you to fight him alone until then, if you can handle it.
Behind you!
Damn it!
Gotcha. I'll take care of him. Die! I'm not done yet.
How about this? How about this?
I'm not done yet.
Tremble in fear. How about this? Say goodbye, Kakarot! What the? Power level 1,307?
Don't hurt my dad! Leave him alone!
Ah!
No, stop! Don't do it! Please, he's just a...
Just a child? Is that what you were going to say, Kakarot? Don't worry, brother. You'll see your son again. In the next world! What? You little...
Piccolo! Your attack! Do it now!
Are you insane?
Maybe, but it's the only way to beat you!
Sorry to keep you waiting. Are you ready?
Do it!
No! Stop!
Special beam cannon! On this planet, we have these things called the Dragon Balls. Gather all 7, and together they have the power to grant any wish, even if it's bringing someone dead back to life.
You can all go to hell. Still, I thank you for the information. Everything that has happened here today has been transmitted to my 2 Saiyan comrades deep in outer space. When they've learned that I've been killed, They'll come to avenge me. The other two Saiyans. When will they? 1 year. Just 1 short year.
Damn. Two of them? Even stronger than him?
How sweet does that victory taste now? They're going to wipe you all out. They'll soon have you writhing in agony like the worms you are.
Wait a second!
How's it feel, seeing your little friend's corpses scattered all over? There was another one, but there's probably not a scrap of him left.
Piccolo's gone.
What, you gonna throw a fit, small fry? Go right ahead. That stupid look on your face just makes me want to kill you faster.
You'll pay for this! You'll both pay! You bastards!
Out of my way! Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level?
It's over 9,000!
What? 9,000? That scouter's a piece of junk! It's gotta be a mistake! Doesn't matter. A little punk like you can't do anything against the mighty Nappa!
This is insanity! How could anyone gain that much power in such a short amount of time?
All right! You're the greatest, Goku! Show that musclehead who's boss!
Get him, Dad!
All right, buddy. Fail me now! Gotcha! Take this! Get out!
Vegeta! Vegeta! Ah! I have no use for a paralyzed Saiyan! You're dead weight! Vegeta!
He's a psycho! He just killed his own partner for no reason!
Both of you need to get back to Kame House where it's safe.
But, Dad,
No, he's right. You saw what that other Saiyan can do. If we stick around, we'll only be getting in your dad's way.
Sorry, Gohan. This guy's stronger than I thought he'd be. We've lost enough. I can't lose you two either.
Okay. I understand, Dad.
Let's finish this someplace else.
Fine by me. Makes no difference.
Okay, this spot should do. From what I can tell, there's no people or animals nearby.
Interesting. Of all the places on your planet, you chose this as your grave site. You should feel lucky. Not every low-class warrior gets the chance to spar with a super elite like myself. Not long after Saiyans are born, their skills as a soldier are tested. The scum whose scores are ranked the lowest are sent to the outer worlds, where the opponents are weak. Much like you were, Kakarot. In other words, you were cast out like a dog.
Yes, and as a result, I was lucky enough to come here to Earth. I'm grateful for that. Besides, even a lower-class outcast can surpass an elite if he puts his mind to it.
It's a nice attempt at a joke. Now let me show you a wall that you will never have the ability to scale through effort alone!
Take this! Buddy, don't fail me now! Get ready, buddy! Don't fail me now! Buddy, don't fail me now!
This is not it! I've had enough embarrassment for one battle! Your insolence just cost you this world!
What the?
There's no way in hell that you can stop my Gallic gun! You and this whole planet are as good as space dust!
Buddy, don't fail me now!
Gallic gun! Got you! Eat this!
Not done yet!
That's it! Got
All right, buddy, don't fail me now! Get ready, see my body! Don't fail me now!
Gotcha!
Not done yet. That's it. Whoa! I'm not done yet.
This is it! I've had enough embarrassment for one battle! Your insolence just cost you this world!
What the?
There's no way in hell that you can stop my Gallic gun! You and this whole planet are as good as space dust! Gallic gun!
I'm not done yet.
Got you!
Body, don't fail me now. Kamehame!
Burst open and mix!
Huh? What was that? What are you planning?
You really should have never gotten rid of your tail, Kakarot! But now you'll learn firsthand what a Saiyan is really capable of!
Did you feel that? There's a tremendous energy and it's swelling up even bigger!
I don't think it's my dad's energy we're sensing, is it? Something's wrong. I'm going back there.
Go on, hold up! I'm going too! Wait!
Don't blink, Kakarot! These will be your final moments before I crush you!
Am I losing my mind? He turned into a giant monkey! This is crazy! How do I fight this thing?
Since when were we dealing with a 100-foot-tall monster?
Only choice now is to gather energy from all over the Earth and make a spirit bomb!
I'll break you!
After all this time, I get it. The monster that killed Grandpa, and the one that destroyed the tournament arena. All of that was me? I owe this to you, Gramps. I need to beat this guy, no matter what. I'll have to use every ounce of my energy for the tiniest chance at victory. If I die, I'll see you in the next world. At least I'll get to apologize to you. Johnny, don't fail me now.
I'll break you! I'll vaporize you! I'll vaporize you!
Solar flare!
I'll vaporize you!
Alrighty, don't fail me now. Kamehame!
I'll break you!